Imagine excellent dentist who is professional as a person but very mean and conflicting with colleagues. Or imagine prominent psychology professor who is always missing deadlines and procrastinating all works. Or imagine owner of the restaurant in Old Town who disrespects cultural differences. Or let's take a promising sport gymnast who is confused about personal development and has stopped in the progress. What these persons have in common? Probably this is absolute lack of the soft skills. So this presentation will be about importance of soft skills in the modern society. There are 5 level activities that are required to develop soft skills, and these 5 levels are national, institutional, curricular, extracurricular and individual level activities. And to develop soft skills, all 5 levels need to be included. The OECD organization reports on educational policies for the 21st century, and it writes that in order to live and work in the knowledge society, students need to gain a deeper conceptual understanding of the world through learning rather than superficial facts and procedures. And the World Economic Forum noted in 2020 that greater robotization and the rapid introduction of new technologies over the next 5 years will mean a demand for new skills in workplace. Employers all over the globe are increasingly talking about the lack of skills and competences of college university graduates, and that such skills are necessary to optimize the work performance, which means the employers are complaining actually about the quality of the graduates, not because of professional, but exactly because of soft skills absence. And there is a lack of skills to communicate, to work in team, to solve problems and critically evaluate information. The majority of professions in the 21st century will need knowledge and understanding of globalization and the ability to communicate with different cultures. To promote the enterprise competitiveness, employers are in search of candidates who are fluent in foreign languages, mostly in English. Soft skills are at times also called the 21st century skills, and these skills include learning to know, learning to do, learning to be, and learning to live. These skills seem to be very obvious, but the reports show that actually the students and graduates lack some or all of these skills. The new knowledge economy resulting from technological and development requires graduates in all disciplines with flexible thinking and transferable skill sets who are able to be innovative and adapt to a dynamic work environment. Consequently, the universities need to develop the transferable general skills needed for graduates to advance their careers and foster economic innovation and social development. The skills are defined quite diversely. Skills are ability and capacity to carry out processes and to be able to use one's knowledge in a responsible way to achieve the goal. Hard skills are methods or knowledge that a person acquires at school or in the workplace. On the contrary, soft skills are interpersonal characteristics, also known as human skills and personal characteristics that a person possesses. Soft skills are related to personality, to human skills and work ethics. The majority of soft skills a person possesses are not taught directly, but developed through life experience, both in the family, at school, and in communication with friends. A study on the role of soft skills in the workplace conducted in 2010 found that 75% of long-term success at work depends on people skills, while only 25% depend on technical knowledge. Hard skills contribute only 15% to success, but 85% of success is related to soft skills. Another research shows that 86% of respondents has indicated that there has been increased emphasis on soft skills over the last 5-10 years, and that companies consider them more important than graduates' academic knowledge. Despite of the universal perception that soft skills are very much needed in modern society, we can see that terminology differs a lot. Sometimes soft skills are referred to as the key competences. At times we can see that they are called life skills or even 21st century skills. Analysis of German job advertisements revealed that the most commonly used terms when looking for employees were working style, teamwork, communication skills and flexibility is demanded. Soft skills are also called 21st century skills, transferable skills, future work skills, or soft skills even for talent. But despite of the wide diversity of terminology, the concept is the same. We need employees and professionals who are flexible in their work performance. In 2012, business executives emphasized several skills that are the most important, and top 3 of these skills are integrity, communication and courtesy. And you can see in the slide that several other skills are mentioned. On the contrary, graduates in 2020 named another set of skills which to their mind seems to be very important as soft skills, and they are flexibility, adaptation skills and communication skills. Researchers also underline necessity for communication, critical thinking, moral and professional ethics and teamwork. Without these skills, actually the professional cannot be successful. The future conceptual learning system will enable students to implement transformative competences to help them to be competent and, if necessary, flexible and ready for change. 94% of business leaders now expect employees to pick up new skills on the job. And the respondents of the future job survey estimate that 40% of workers will require reskilling in the first 6 months or less, and the training will be done either internally or outside of the workplaces. Many projects are currently being implemented in the EU level on the soft skills, and one of these projects is Erasmus Plus Strategic Partnership Project DISCOM, elaborated by Turiba University and the partnering universities. To be successful or not in your personal, professional or academic life is your personal choice, but you can always make the first step to be better in your soft skills. Students study in universities and colleges not only to get academic and professional degree, but also to get competencies and abilities which further will be used lifelong. One of the higher education missions is to create a desire in students to develop, improve and enhance their abilities through about their lifetime. So we encourage you to use the DISCOM project materials to be more successful in your soft skills. Thank you.